I love collaborating. I love having another writer, especially in the room, like in a real room, not just virtually, like on a Zoom call or anything. That's the next best thing. But the best thing is to be in the same room with another songwriter. Okay? Ideally, for me personally, another songwriter that plays guitar. Okay, so two guitars in the room, both of us singing, both of us exploring, bouncing ideas off each other. It's magic. Okay, if you get the right person, of course, it's assuming that you're writing with someone that you have the same sort of. But having said that, even not having the same kind of inspirations and the same kind of influences can also work incredibly well. That's happened to me as well, where I had a metal band, okay, like hard, their biggest influence was Black Sabbath, but Tool. They worship Tool, and Tool is a pretty heavy duty, like heavy metal, band. And that's, I appreciate music like that, but that's not what I listen to. That's not what I've been influenced by. But the songwriting sessions went really, really amazing, okay, because you have this collaboration and we sort of met in the middle, like with my pop, hard rock even. I've had influences of hard rock as well, bringing that to the table, and he's bringing in the metal influence, which do cross over. They do cross over. So rock, hard rock, metal, these are all crossover genres. But look, collaboration is amazing. Now, writing solo, which one do I prefer? Do I prefer writing by myself or collaborating with someone? Well, it depends. Writing by yourself is a different kind of, freedom. So you can write whatever you want to write. You can take it in whatever direction you want to take it into. You don't have to consider anything or anyone, especially lyrically. You can write about whatever you want to write about. Okay, so, and you don't have to worry about sort of, hey, okay, we'll include that even though you don't really believe in it. But it's because you have this collaboration and you don't really want to, put the other person down. So it can be a bit tricky collaboration, especially when you're not really, the co-writing team is not very well matched. So that can also be something that doesn't work very well. Okay, but if you have a situation like that, just walk away from it. It's okay. It's experience. You put it down as experience. Writing by myself, look, I've written the bulk of the material that I've written on my own. Okay, so the inspiration comes wherever it comes from, and I find sometimes that door of where that inspiration comes from is pretty wide open when I'm by myself rather than when I'm with someone, unless we get into the zone. If we get into the zone with someone, it's incredible. That door, that creative door swings wide open. Okay, and I can tell that his or hers door also swings wide open. And then you got creative ideas flowing back and forth. It's really amazing. It can be very magical, very powerful. Okay, so that's basically it. I guess I didn't answer that properly. Which one do I prefer? Look, if I had to choose one, I would choose writing on my own.